guys, welcome back to Cool Boy. So today we're going to install Windows 10 on our Mac computer. So the question arises, why do we want to install Windows 10 on Mac computer? So there can be several reasons that you want to experience two operating systems, or you want to play games as you are very limited on games on a Mac computer, so you want to get Windows 10. So we're going to install Windows 10 with the help of a Bootcamp Assistant application. So let's get straight into the video. What you want to do is just open any web browser. I'm opening Safari and just type Windows 10 ISO file download. You can only type Windows 10 download, it would come. So we're going to download it from Microsoft.com. As you can see here, the first link. So click the link and you would be redirected to this page, and this page says select your edition. So we're going to select Windows 10 and then hit confirm, and it would say select your product language. We're going to select English language, then hit confirm, and it would say that which bit operating system do you want to download. I recommend you to download 64-bit, as Bootcamp Assistant only supports 64-bit operating systems. So the file is about 5.27 gigabytes, so it's gonna take a real time. So let's see how much time it takes.
3 weeks later, many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new.
So Windows 10 ISO file has been successfully downloaded. So what you want to do is just hit command and space and type Bootcamp Assistant. You're going to open the application. After opening the application, you're going to hit continue, and then it would say select your file. So I'm going to choose my file, go to desktop, and I'm going to select Windows 10 ISO file 64-bit and open it. And it would say to select the partition, how much memory you want to give to Windows and Mac. So I'm going to give 100 gigs of space to Windows, and then I'm going to hit continue, and after hitting continue, the process starts. Now the system would ask you for your fingerprint, and there's a slight chance that your system may be unresponsive, so best way is to enter your password. After entering your password or Touch ID, the system would automatically restart. Now the system would collect some basic information like your region, your keyboard layout, your language, and all that stuff. Now it would ask you to enter a product key or an activator key. In order to get a product key, you have to buy it. So the simple option is just to click down on bottom where it's written I don't have a product key. Now it's saying to select the Windows edition that we want to install. So there are many options: Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Pro Edition, and all that stuff. So I'm going to select Windows 10 Pro Edition. Now click on I agree to continue. Now it would take several minutes to install Windows 10 Pro Edition. Now the system would restart automatically. Now the system would reboot again. Now it would ask you some basic information about your region, your language, your keyboard layout, and I know that it would be a piece of cake for you guys. Now it would say you to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Now the computer would ask you how do you want to set up. You have to select for your personal use only. Now the computer would ask you to add an account, but you have to only go with an offline account right here. Now it would again say you to sign in for enjoying the full experience, but you have to select limited experience only. Now you have to select 3 security questions and answer them. Now you have to click on accept. Now the computer would say you to enable Cortana. In order to enable Cortana, you have to sign in, so click on not now. Congratulations, now you have successfully installed Windows 10. Now the computer would say you to install Bootcamp Assistant. Now you have to install a Bootcamp Assistant in order to go back to your Macintosh setup. So hit install and it might take several minutes. And accept. Once the Bootcamp Assistant has been installed, click on Finish to restart your system. Now you are fully free to enjoy your Windows 10 experience. Now let's suppose you want to go back to your Macintosh setup. It's very easy. What you want to do is just click on start button right here and click on power button, and then what you want to do is just click on restart and the system would automatically get restart. Now what you want to do is just hold option key tightly until you see this pop up. There are 2 disks, one Macintosh and one Windows. If you want to go to Windows, then click on Windows disk. If you want to go to Macintosh disk, you want to click on Macintosh disk. Welcome back to your Macintosh setup. And now when you will open your Mac storage, you will be able to see that your one disk has been divided into 2, and one disk is Macintosh and one is Bootcamp. Now let's wrap up this video, and a sub to our channel would be incredible. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.